Hi friends, welcome. Today I have a decorative piece here that I bought from the Dollar Tree a couple or 3 weeks ago maybe, and I wanted to show you what I'm doing with it. Now the piece just came, these two pieces here, the heart and then the open heart, then this heart inside, and it just says Decor. That's all it says. And I'm going to show you what I have done with this. But first, I'll tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need this rope, of course, and I've already got this started hot gluing it on, just to save a little bit of time on the video. And then you're going to, this rope right here is the decorative nautical rope from Dollar Tree, 13 feet. So you're going to need one of those. You're going to need some wire cutters. You're going to need wire, and this is 22 gauge painted wire, and I believe this is from Walmart. And then you're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need some sort of ribbon if you choose to put ribbon on it. This is really pretty. It's got the blue stars and the sparkly red stripes, so I thought it would look pretty on this. So as I said, I've already, and you'll need a hot glue gun and glue sticks too. Now I have already started hot gluing this around. Now your rope, at the end of it, it has a piece of tape just hold the rope together, and I did cut that off and just sealed it with some hot glue right here when I started that on there. And then you can trim this up after you get your rope put all the way around. But I'm just going to go ahead and finish with the rope and putting the hot glue on. And I want to show you here in this V right here of the heart. If you will take this and just crimp that up really, really tight, it will go right down in there for you, just like that. You know, you have to apply a little bit of pressure to it. Okay, now let's go on around and get this finished up. Okay, I'm just about finished with the rope, so let's go on down a little bit, and then I'll cut that rope off and finish that part off. Okay. A little bit more. And just press that rope pretty tight right against that your heart piece here, and it should go on without a problem. Now just cut that rope right there, right at the end there, just like that. And then I want to put a little bit of hot glue there on that end to just kind of seal that, just like that. Put a little bit of hot glue there and go ahead and finish that off. Okay, I had made a bow, and it was a little bit too big. It's just bigger than what I wanted. So what I did, I took this ribbon. As I said, it's 2.5 inches wide, but I cut this in half to get this piece, and I cut a 20-inch length from this right here, and I'm just going to make a bow with this, just a real simple bow. And I'm going to go ahead and cut off a piece of wire. I had used my other one, so I'm going to need another little piece here. I want a piece, I don't know, 10 inches or so. Kind of push this aside here. Okay, let's make our bow. Okay, You can see this is the back side doesn't have the shiny glitter on it, so this is just one-sided ribbon. So make sure the right sides are turned, the right way. Just fold it like that. Just kind of get those, the tails here even. Okay. Then this may start to fray just a little bit, and if it does, you can just clip these little threads off if you don't want them on there. If you don't mind them, that's fine too. Okay. Just kind of pinch that up, gather it up like that. Okay. And then take a piece of wire, fold it in half, put it around your bow, get it right in the center there, and just give your bow a couple of good little twists like that. Okay, so there's your bow. You can work with that to get it, kind of flatten that wire out on that. Okay, now you can hot glue this if you want. I had a little bit of hot glue here, but let's see, I think I will hot glue this. Actually, let's go ahead with this. I'm going to trim this off. Over here out of the way. Okay, now I think I am going to take a piece of this red stripe and just trim that down real close. Trim your burlap down to where you're not seeing it. Okay, trim this side. Okay, then just, let's see, I want to just bend these wires down a little bit because I don't want to get stuck. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's put a little bit of hot glue there. And just wrap around. There's a little piece I need to clip. Okay. Put a little bit more hot glue right down the center there. Then come around to the back. And I'll go ahead and trim this off before I finish it, like that. Oops, a little bit more hot glue. And there you go. There's a cute little bow. I just thought the width of the ribbon was just a little bit too wide for this, so that's the reason that I'm changing it up. I think that looks a lot better. Okay, and then I'm just going to hot glue this. Right to the heart. Just like that. And so there it is. And I like how that turned out. I like the simplicity of it. I think it looks really nice. If you guys give this a try, let me know down in the comments. That'll be it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I would surely appreciate it. Come back and visit with me real often. As always, I appreciate you spending some time with me. So you guys be blessed and happy trails.